In this video, we're gonna explore a new and improved version of the all-famous SuperTrend Indicator that can actually be used as a buy-sell indicator. This new indicator produces super accurate buy and sell signals that can be used to create a profitable strategy. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, to add this new indicator to your chart, you're gonna go to TradingView, which is the trading platform that I normally use. If you need to sign up, the link for that will be in the video description. Next, you want to load the 5-minute time frame of BTC USD, but you're not going to be limited to this because this strategy can actually work on any trading security and on any time frame. And then click on indicators and type in SuperTrended RSI, this one by Algo Alpha. And then for the second indicator that is going to complement the SuperTrended RSI, you want to type in SuperTrended Moving Averages, this one by Kevin. Now, let's shift our focus to the main indicator of this video, which is the SuperTrended RSI. Now, this indicator combines the traditional RSI with a supertrend calculation for a dynamic look at market trends. If we quickly go over its features, we can see that it's composed of a supertrend line, which is this oscillator that changes color between bright teal and bright red. And then we have the RSI moving average, which is this gray oscillator right here. This line in the center is called the midline, and then at the top we have an overbought line, and at the bottom we have an oversold line. Whenever the supertrend line goes under the oversold line, that would indicate that the market may be oversold and a blue upward arrow is going to be printed. This is a buy signal. On the other hand, whenever this supertrend oscillator crosses above the overbought level, that would indicate that the market might be overbought and a red downward arrow is going to be printed. This downward arrow represents a sell signal. Now, looking at the settings of this indicator, we can see that we can change various RSI components right here, things like the RSI length, the RSI smoothing length, etc. We have AMA settings here, where you can change the MA length, the RSI smoothing length, and the MA type. And then down here, we have the supertrend settings. You can change the factor, the ATR length, etc. For this video, the only thing that we're gonna change is this. We need to disable the show RSI MA option because we're not gonna be using that. After that, click OK. So, the way we're going to be using this indicator to trade is by following the buy and sell signal labels. These buy and sell signals basically indicate trend reversal points, or they can also indicate pullbacks or retracements within bullish and bearish trends. But in order to get the most out of these signals, we can't just use this indicator all by itself. Oh no. Instead, we're going to combine it with the supertrended moving average. Basically, this second indicator overlaid on our chart. This is a trend confirmation indicator. A green ribbon indicates a bullish trend and a red ribbon indicates a bearish trend. Let's double click on it so we can change the moving average length to 200. After that, click OK. Next, we will explore how we can use these two indicators to take positions. But before that, let's talk about the forex broker called Fentura. Now, I've been using Fentura for quite some time. As you can see here, this is my live account on MT4. Yes, MT4 is the trading platform used by Fentura. The reason why I think Fentura is a great broker is because of their low commissions as well as spreads that go as low as 0.0 pips. They also have a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. You know, for those of us who love high leverage. If all of this isn't enough, they're also gonna give you a 100% deposit bonus for all your first deposits of between $100 all the way to $50,000. So if you deposit, say, $5,000, they're gonna give you a bonus of $5,000, giving you a total of $10,000 to trade with. To access the bonus as well as all the other perks, sign up to Fentura using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. Now, here is how we can take a long position. Condition number 1 is we confirm that the market is in a bullish trend. For that, you just make sure that the trend ribbon of the supertrended moving average indicator is colored green. This indicates a bullish trend. Condition number 2, which is also the last condition, is we just make sure that a buy signal is printed by the supertrended RSI, basically a green upward arrow like this one. This indicates that the market did a pullback within this bullish trend and increases the probability that the price may continue to go upwards. Once these two conditions are met, we enter a long position. The stop loss is going to go right under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're going to target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2, letting the trade run and take profit. Here's another long position. As you can see, a green trend ribbon from the SuperTrended moving average indicated that this market was in a bullish trend. Within this bullish trend, a pullback happened as indicated by the SuperTrended oscillator going under the oversold level and then printing this buy signal. This signal increases the probability that the price may continue to go upwards. Because of that, we enter a long position. The stop loss goes under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're going to target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. For a short position, we just do the opposite of what we did for the long positions. We make sure that the market is in a bearish trend. That is going to be confirmed by a red trend cloud from the SuperTrended moving average. And then within this bearish trend, we look for a market pullback. A pullback is going to be confirmed when this SuperTrended oscillator goes above the overbought level and a sell signal like this one is printed. This signal indicates that after this pullback, the price may continue going downwards. Because of that, we enter a short position. We're gonna set our stop loss right above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we again target a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2, letting the trade run and take profit. In summary, this strategy is super effective when scalping on lower timeframes. But remember, just like any other trading strategy, this one cannot win 100% of all the trades taken. Losses are always going to be a part of the game. But with proper risk management, strategies like this one can actually be super profitable. If you want to make it even better, well, you can try adding some price action concepts like rejections below and above support and resistance levels respectively as extra confirmations for your signals. Well, that's basically everything for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.